what's up guys, today I'm going to be unboxing an Xbox 360. Xbox! Yeah. This is it. It comes with Kinect Adventures and Kung Fu Panda 2. And it comes with Xbox Live membership code 3 months. So, that's the front cover of the box. This is the side. Xbox Connect. The back. Few random people. The other side. It's game. So, how do I open this thing? The bottom. Yeah. Exception page. That looks like a little distant. Oh, guys, it comes with a headset. Look, a headset. Elite install pack for Xbox 360. Amazing. That's the side. What's that? Sorry about that. There's the mic. Onto the box. That's the headset. It's an earpiece, basically. It's the back. This that's how you turn it on. This thing like that. You ain't gonna be able to see that. It's like this mini clip thing. Powered by Geotech. So yeah, let's get this open. I'm gonna say. See how it looks like that on the box? Looks like this. Looks like that. What the? Looks like this is the charger for it. I don't know. Yeah, looks like that's the charger. It didn't come out. Yes, it has. For the HD cable. So let's put this back in there. Put this on. So next we have this black thing. Oh, some batteries. The controller, not the pack. The back of the controller. Oh, you can't see that one. Is dual cell IA. That's the back. You can see there it has some like mini information thing. Because the batteries must go down. It's smoothing. So that's the battery one I've got to just get the hole in. The holes for the batteries to go in there when you open them. Come with a little packet thing stuff in there. Pardon, sorry. Guys, the Xbox isn't in there. Oh, put some random packaging instead. Some random packaging. That's crap. That's really crap. Ooh, what's in here? What's this? Oh no, it's someone stole the stuff out of this Xbox. I'm sending this back.